This has weird words in it. The combination lock will open when the right choice of 3 numbers from 1 to 50, inclusive, what? Are selected. What does inclusive mean? It includes 1 and 50. Very nice. Okay. Each number can be used twice, but not twice in a row. How many different lock combinations are possible? Okay, so we have 3 numbers. Let's do that. We got 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. How many numbers can be in this first spot right here? How many different numbers can there be right there?
50.
That's 50. 50 numbers can be in that spot right there. And then the second spot.
49.
Oh, yeah, how come it's 49?
Because these have the same number choice.
Oh, okay. So this one would be 49 right here. All right. So then what would the last one be?
No. 49.
Because I use a number right here, right? And the number that I used over here is back now in the equation. So this one gets taken out and this one gets added back in. So how many numbers are there? 49. So it's 50 times 49 times 49. What does that give us?
A big number.
120,050? Like that?